this is something that I wanted to mention basically. So one of the magics of interleave generation is that it offers you to do a new paradigm for image generation, right? Like, so if you have a very complex prompt, you're talking about 6 different edits. What if I go with like 50 different edits, right? So now that the model has a really good mechanism to grab information from the context, like pixel perfect, and use it in the next turn, what you can do is you can ask the model to break down the complex prompt, either it is editing or for image generation, into multiple steps and do edits like one by one over different steps. So for the first one, you do this like edits, like these 5 different things. And then for the next one, the next 5, and so on and so forth. So it's like very similar to the test on compute that we have on the language side, right? So you spend more flops and you let the model to bring basically this thinking in the kind of like the pixel space, plus breaking it down into smaller pieces that you can like really nail down that specific stage, but like accumulate it, you can do whatever complex task you want, right? So I think like, again, this is the magic of interleave generation, that you can think about, incremental generation of like really complex images, as opposed to traditional way of doing it, which was like really pushing hard for getting the best image in one shot, right? Like at the end of the day, there's a capacity that you can push the model. At some point you realize that, okay, with 100 details, we cannot do that. But when you have this one interleave generation, breaking it at steps, you can always go for any capacity and any complexity that you want to generate.